These are the Merrill R6000 draw straps. Now they are full metal. You can see we can line them up here. They'll measure right at about the same as well. A couple things to notice about them though. They do have two holes on each side. One is obviously a lot bigger than the other. So we can go ahead and get a couple measurements. Starting with a total length. So this one will measure right at about 6¼ inches. We can also get a diameter of this hole here, which will measure right at about 1¾ inches. And then get an outer diameter of this hole as well, just because. And it's going to measure just above 1/4 of an inch. And we can also get a width. So it's right about 1/8 of an inch. And yeah, once again, this is the Merrill R-20 draw straps.